What is Peri Peri? Peri Peri is actually a cuisine in itself. The ingredients and the way the food is prepared together is called Peri Peri. It goes a long way, 300-400 years ago, when Portuguese ruled most of Africa, especially the West Africa. The sailors watched as the locals, the Swahili people, they added a very small chili which was freely available everywhere, and they added it to everything that they were preparing. And the Portuguese were curious, so what they noticed was this chili was very different from all the other chilies. Generally, chilies, what they do is they add fire to your food, they add spiciness to your food. But this little guy, he had a personality of his own. It not only added fire or spice, but it also had its own flavor. It added its own flavor, and the Portuguese fell in love with it. So what they did is, when they were going back, they decided to take this little plant with them back home to Portugal. And those days, of course, you know, there was no aviation, everything was naval. So they took it in a ship, and when they reached Portugal, the second largest city in Portugal and the largest port of Portugal even today is called Porto, the city of Porto. So they entered with this little plant in the city of Porto, and now they started to prepare, and they found out that this was too spicy, too hot for them. So they added some local herbs into it to just mellow down the spices, and finally they came up with this sauce, a concoction, and then it was time for them to name it, and they were like, okay, what do we call it? What did the locals call it? Oh, the locals called it Peri Peri. What does that mean? Peri in Swahili literally means hot. And to emphasize that this was really hot, they called it twice, Peri Peri. The Peri Peri became Peri Peri. But this entire process was fine-tuned, if you will, in Portugal, in Europe. And then from there, it came to all of us, to the rest of the world. It's very popular in Asia. It's very popular in Europe. It's very popular in the Middle East. America is just getting the taste of it now. Why we called it the Port of Peri Peri is to honor that port of Porto, which is responsible for the rest of the world to taste this flavor bomb called the Peri Peri cuisine. The normal Peri Peri restaurants, you know, what they do is they apply the marinade to the chicken and leave it for a couple of hours, maybe even overnight. So the flavor, you know, gets absorbed. But we wanted to take it to the next level, so we inject the chicken with our secret marinade, pre-cut it, and then we distribute it to all our locations nationwide. The flavor is intact inside the chicken, and not just the flavor, but the chicken never gets dry, and it's very juicy. Then the second part of it, the way it's cooked is, we take this pre-marinated chicken and we put it through high pressure steaming, and even for that, the Port of Peri Peri has its own software program, which 100% every time cooks consistently. Then, when the customer decides the spice level, how spicy they want it, we take that chicken, throw it on the grill, and open flame. And while the chicken is getting charred and, you know, cooked on the grill, we baste it with this magic sauce. My name is Syed Pasha. I'm the founder of the Port of Peri Peri, and I'd like to personally invite you to the Port of Peri Peri nearest to you.